Dolphin. A marine mammal known for its intelligence and friendly nature. Dolphins are often seen swimming near the shore. She watched dolphins jumping out of the water. Dolphins communicate using clicks and whistles. The dolphin show at the aquarium was amazing. They went on a boat tour to see dolphins.